This is our electric Expedition cargo bike. We got it a year and 3 months ago. So far we've got 833 miles on it, and I can say that we really haven't had very many issues with it. Just a few things here and there that I had to call electric on, and they were very responsive and sent out parts. We had the loud brakes, mainly the back, I believe, especially if you're going down a long hill and you have to ride the brakes for a distance and they're heating up. It would be really loud. And again, that too went on and off. Sometimes it would be loud, sometimes it wouldn't. So we just really didn't think that much of it. The one thing that I did notice after I was riding it, I was riding it quite a bit when my wife wasn't, so that I can get a lot of riding in before the warranty was up. But the neck here, this would wiggle. It would rock back and forth this way. Check that out, and if you take these plastic covers off here, there's 2 Allen bolts on each side, and if you tighten them, it stops the wiggle. It's getting a little darker now. You can see the bling we have on the wheels. Picked them up from an Amazon returns store, and they worked fine, so I put them on there. So it's pretty cool. You can't see them too much during the day. Now the bike is sinking in the grass, so I can't spin them. You can't see them too much during the day, but they're definitely good at night when you need more visibility anyways. The bike, the new tires that I put on here, the Careless Whisper from Specialized, has a reflective white wall, so that's nice also for visibility. The electric headlight, the stock headlight, is a be seen light. It's just for you to be seen. You can kind of use it for a headlight, but it's really worthless as far as seeing in the dark. So you pretty much need to get an aftermarket headlight. I got this one here. This is a Wasaga. I don't know if it's still for sale or not. I believe it's 2000 lumens. It's nice because it has 3 different modes. You've got the You've got the brightest, middle, low, flashing strobe, more of an SOS type flash, and then another kind of strobe for like riding during the day to be seen. It's pretty bright. You can't tell right now because it's not that dark out, and I also have an added handlebar extension. It wasn't fitting well into the handlebar down here, and the way the handlebar is tapered, I kind of don't like that about this bike, but a lot of modern bikes seem to have these tapered bars. It fits nicely up here, and then when you're riding you can move it up and down, so as you're coming towards traffic, if you don't want to dim the light, or you just want to not flash it into the car's eyes, you can aim it down, or if you just want to see closer to you, this will shine pretty far with the brightness. And we have a phone holder that's on the bars, but that can easily be moved to this extension. The other thing I have on there is the headlight, and then we also have a horn. So it's actually almost like a little scooter moped type horn, but it's also an alarm, which is nice, and you have a remote control for it, so you can blow the horn with the remote. You can also lock it. It's armed at that point, so if someone touches your bike, it seems sometimes it's more sensitive than others, but if someone were to try to move the bike, it'll go off. And then we also got the Pannier bag on the back here. It's supposed to be water repellent. I don't know if it's waterproof. It does have covered zippers. There is a rain cover in the top here. You can put it over the top of it, so I'm assuming it's not 100% waterproof. So that's our bike so far. Oh, also side view mirror. I had this one already. It works pretty well, and I've actually gotten pretty used to using a mirror. I never really had a mirror before, and it's just nice and convenient to look in there and keep track of the people behind you. It's not rugged in any way, but it does a job.